Hey guys, so welcome to SM Solutions. So today topic is gonna be the broker that I'm using, which is Tradezero, the Pro one. They have a couple of platforms, so we're gonna talk about it. I'm gonna show you exactly how to set up a chart, what's the level, how to set up actually the level two, the time and sell. Like you can see here, I have my level two, I have my time and sell, I have three chart, 1 minute chart, 5 minute, and the daily chart. You're gonna see my PNL, my watch list. So it's 5:57. So the market are closed. They close at 4. I'm in Montreal, and yeah, you can see today was 417 dollars. I didn't trade Tesla. The one that I did was BLPH. I actually did a short. Anyways, that's not the topic today. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to set up your chart and how to customize your layout for your broker for the Tradezero. So first of all, you know what? I'm actually gonna open Tradezero website just to show you what's the reason that I'm with Tradezero. I used to be with Interactive Broker. I changed at the beginning of the year for a couple of reasons. The main one was for the leverage. So let me go show you a couple of stuff. So they have a couple of software. First of all, they have the Zero Pro, the one that I'm going to show you, the one that I'm using. You can actually try it for free to see if you like it. They give you like 14 days, so 2 weeks that you can actually try it. They're going to give you paper money. They have also the Zero Web, the Zero Free, and the mobile one, which is useless, the mobile one. Anyways, so the one that I'm talking is $79 per month, 100 shares. If you trade 100 shares a month, you get it for free, which is how many shares do you need? 100 divided by 4 weeks divided by 5 days. So you need at least around 5,000 shares a day to get it for free. Anyways, so you see the difference of price. You see that this one is free, but you have to pay for your level 2. You have only 2 charts. Anyways, the one I'm talking is the Pro one. It's perfect for day trading. You have 6 window of level 2. You have hotkeys, you have real-time news, you have stock screener, you have so many stuff that you can get. what What's the reason? Also, give me just a second just to show you something. They actually don't talk about leverage. Let me see. Pricing, no pricing, higher leverage. Okay, perfect. So this is the main reason why I'm with Tradezero. Honestly, the main one, 6 to 1. If you have an account of 2,500 and more. If you have an account of 10,000, you can trade with 60,000. 60,000. Sorry, I lost my word because it's too crazy. 60k if you have 25. If you have an account of 10k, which is great because you can actually trade bigger stock like Tesla. You can get more shares, but you can also lose a lot of money with this leverage. So just be careful. Have a good risk management and money management. So let's go to the broker. So this is the chart. So like I said, I have 3 chart, 1 minute, 5 minute, and the daily. So what I'm gonna do actually, you know what? Sorry. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually remove everything. Like this, we can go step by step and show you what's the option that you have when you want to customize your setup for your broker. So I'm gonna close everything. Let me close that. I'm gonna remove my PNL and close that. Perfect. So you have nothing right now. It's all gray. So we're gonna do the first thing is a level 2, and like I said, you can actually open a couple of them. I mean, you can open 6 level 2 if you have a lot. If you have more than one monitor, you can put this one on another one and have another setup. So if you want, I'm gonna use just one level 2 for this setup. So we're gonna put I don't know, Tesla stock. So what you see the bid and the ask in the level 2, which is normal. You have the time and sell. You have if you want to buy and sell, if you want to short, if you want to cover your short position. So you have a couple of stuff here. What's nice with this broker, you can actually customize everything, like legit everything. So you can customize this level too. I don't like this time and sell. I rather have it separately. So I'm gonna remove this time and sell. I like the old classic with like the colors. And the other thing that I don't like is to have like display display M maker size and block of 100 shares. So 1 is 100, 2 is 200. I rather have the price, the number of shares directly. I don't want to have to put to see it like that. So we're gonna apply. So like you can see, I removed the time and sells. You will not see the you actually do, because it's aftermarket, so you see the 200 now, the 100. You will not see anymore the 2 and 1. They're going to be removed in a couple of seconds. The thing also that I like to do is, because I'm blind, I like to increase that to 10 just to have something bigger. You can actually decide the size of the numbers and everything. So now it's better like that. So I'm gonna reduce like this, and we're gonna add the time and sell. So time and sell, we're gonna put Tesla. And yeah, so on the time and sell, you have the price, the size, the time, I mean the exchange, whoa, and the types. So I don't need these two last, so I'm gonna cover them and just keep the time, size, and price. The next thing, the most important thing, is the chart. Where's my chart? Okay, perfect. So you have a couple of options when you want to customize your chart. You can actually decide the background color. So this one is black. You can actually decide if you want dark gray. Oh, I just forgot. Don't forget to actually link your stuff. Like this, you don't have any surprise when you're gonna trade. So I'm gonna put Apple, see if it's gonna, perfect. So you can see the gray, it's a useless chart, you don't see anything. So I mean, I rather have it like this, it's more clear for me. So let's talk about the charts. You have a lot of stuff that you can do. You have all the indicators, you have the MACD, RSI, I mean, you have so many stuff. I know a lot of people like to have so many indicators. Personally, I only use the VWAP and one EMA, which is the 200, which I put it on the daily chart. I don't use any MACD, RSI, because I only read that. I check the price and the volume. That's it, that's all. I mean, you can actually see everything with these two things, price and volume. You can actually, because everything will be around those two factors, price and volume. Any indicator that you use is gonna take price and volume in consideration. So that's why I'd rather just see directly the price and volume. So let's talk about the chart. You can actually decide which time frame. Like I said, I'd like to have one chart at 1 minute, the other one at 5 minutes, and a daily chart. You can decide to have a 60-minute, 15, whatever you want. If you want a VWAP, you just have to put VWAP. If you want a moving average, so you go here, moving average, just put the first one, and you have a moving average. So right now it's actually a mess. So you see the blue one is the moving average, and the green one is the VWAP. What you can do also, you can actually customize those lines. So let's do the VWAP first. So we're gonna put it blue. Dot, I like to have dots, and the size of the line, we're gonna put it 3. So now you see this is the VWAP, the blue one, and let's customize now the moving average. I like to have it purple, the 200. So you have to decide which period. You can put 200, you can put, I mean, 180, you can put the 10 moving average. I like to have the 200, and same thing, I'm gonna put dot, and the size is gonna be 3. So now the purple is in my 200 moving average, and I have my VWAP. So simple, so clear. Like, you see everything that you need. You don't need more than that, to be quite honest with you. If you want to put some RSI, you can go here, price, actually no, Where's my RSI? Actually here, index based, and you have the RSI, which if you want you can put MACD, whatever you need. I don't like them, like I said 1,000 times so far. So yeah, this is the first chart, so we're gonna put it here. The one that I put here is gonna be my daily chart, because I like to see exactly what the chart did in the previous month, just to have an idea where's the resistance, where's the support and everything. So I like to have a daily chart, and I'm gonna open two more charts, so main, pro charts, and another one. One's gonna be a 5 minute, and the other one's gonna be a 1 minute. And the 1 minute is gonna be bigger because usually when I trade in the morning, so at 9:30, sometimes pre-market, and I like to go on the 1 minute because it moves so fast, so I like to see exactly what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna put both of them like this and link them to my level 2. Let's get back to Tesla. So now you have one daily chart, one 1 minute chart, and the other one is a 5 minute chart. Like this is perfect, honestly. I don't know why I'm playing with it. So you can put view up, like I said, you can put whatever you want. You can draw lines, line, horizontal line, ray line. Like if you want to put the support line, I mean, you just have to choose this one and up. That's it, simple as that. You don't have to put 1,000 lines. I mean, you can just put one or two like you want. The next thing that I'm gonna put is gonna be my, what's the next one? Watch list, yeah, news actually. Let's put the news. BLPH was actually the trade that I did, I think today. Yeah, BLPH was the thing today. I actually did short it. So the news, what you can actually do with the news, you can put the name of the stock or keyword. Like I like to trade biotech stocks, so if I want to see exactly if there's a stock that is FDA approval, you just have to put FDA, enter, and you have everything regarding the word FDA. So if I click the first one, they're gonna bring me to a website, or not. I don't know what's happening, but usually it brings me to a website. Let me try something else. Apple, remove FDA. Oh, okay. So you see, you click on the one that you want, and it's gonna open Benziga, a website, and they're gonna tell you exactly what's the news. The other thing that I like to have is my watch list. So this watch list, you can put a lot of stuff. If you want to put Facebook, I don't know, Tesla, Apple, the one that I was trading. You see, you can put whatever you want. You just have to put the name of the stock. So you can put a lot of stock. You can also customize this watch list. Just have to click on this settings logo here. If you want to add something, just to give you an idea, you have the change in terms of dollars. Do you have it? Okay, they don't have. Okay, so I want to add the change in percentage. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click this setting here. I'm going to go percentage change, send it to the other side. So now it's here, so I'm gonna apply. Okay, so now I have the percentage change. If you want to move it to the left, same thing, you have to customize. You select what you're gonna move and just move it wherever you want to put it. I mean, I'm gonna put it with the auto change, so apply. Okay, so now I have my percentage change, so I can see exactly how many percent Tesla went and Apple, or Facebook, Twitter, whatever you're looking for. So I'm gonna put it over there. I'm gonna reduce the news, and I'm gonna put this one here. The other thing that I like to do is to put, is this thing, short list. So big stock like Tesla, Facebook, whatever, Microsoft, everything that is big, you can always short the action, the stock, sorry, so you don't have any problem. But penny stock, sometimes if you want to trade penny stock, you don't have the option. So when you don't have the option to short, you will not see a S here. What that means is you cannot short. Usually you cannot, there's exceptions, so this is the exception. So you're gonna locate the stock. So your example, if I want to short, I don't have any example right now, just to give you an example, BLPH, you put BLPH and you're gonna put how many shares you want, and you're gonna click locate. It's gonna find you. If they don't have any stock to short, they're gonna tell you that they don't have. And why I like this option is a lot of broker, when they don't have, they will tell you just no directly. This one you have the option to do more research. Sometimes even if they say that they don't have it, they actually do. So that's what's great with Tradezero. Like my friend he's still using the interactive broker, and sometimes I can short stock that he can't. So this is another reason why I'm with them right now. I think he's gonna move too. So we're gonna put that here. Give me a second, just like to put it like that. Perfect. Perfect. So the next thing is symbol search. I mean, I don't put it. If you don't know a name of a company, you can put the name Facebook, enter company name, search. So the symbol for Facebook is FB. So it's kind of useless. You can go on Google and put just Facebook, but it's here. The next thing, you have also hotkeys. I didn't set up any hotkeys right now, so I'm using this level 2 and I have to click. But maybe I'm gonna try to, because I never did hotkeys. I know everyone is talking about hotkeys because it's so fast to get in and out to a stock, but I only trade one stock a day. I only have maximum 2 stock I'm looking, never more than 2 stock. So maybe one day, but so far I think it's useless for me. It depends how you trade, how many stock you trade a day, but for me, one, it's okay. I forgot something here. It's my portfolio. Where's portfolio? Okay, portfolio. This is the thing where you see everything. You're gonna see how much money you did, at what price you got filled, the limit order, everything. I'm gonna just put it like this. So you have everything here. So that's it. Honestly, it's the way that I have my chart set up. So everything is here. If I need to short, I can go here. If I want to long, I buy, sell, short, cover. I have my 3 chart. So I can always see, if I don't see any pattern on the 1 minute, maybe on the 5 minute I see something else. This is the way I trade, and honestly, so far so good with this broker. Nothing bad to say. The only thing that I'm telling you is try the 14 days. Don't jump just like that, because depending of what broker you were, sorry, I'm gonna rephrase that. So depending of what broker you are using right now is gonna be a big change. I know people who are using Thinkorswim, which is another word. I heard that they have a lot of problem right now because they went free commission, but everything is so slow. So try the 14 days, the free demo, and see how it goes. And if you like it, try the Tradezero. You can get so many good price. You can actually call them to see if they can give you a better price when you have a couple of $1,000 in your account. And yeah, that's it. If you have any question, you can always leave comments. You can always add me, DM me on Instagram or anything, just to tell me if you have any question regarding the broker or day trading or strategy. So yeah, that's it for today, and I hope that you learn a couple of stuff regarding this broker. And have a good one. Ciao.